Before we begin our presentation, I'd like to invite you all to tweet your votes to the following question. Do you have any plans to use virtual solutions in the future? If yes, tweet hashtag Vote2A at HybridVS. No, tweet hashtag Vote2B at HybridVS. All right, hello everybody, and thank you for attending, and welcome to Hybrid's Virtual Technology Center. As with every year, here at NAB 2014, we're going to give you a brief walkthrough of some of our key features and newest real-time 3D technology. Without further introduction, let's immerse ourselves into virtual sets and talk tracking technologies, which makes virtual match the real. Hybrid's accurate robotics tracking systems are so precise, they can actually predict camera movement for a true zero-delay production environment. And as you can see right now, no special audio or video delays are needed to allow my live presentation to be perfectly synchronized with the graphics and program output. This absence of delays significantly diminishes workflow complexities and also just frustrations. That being said, Hybrid can also interface with any kind of third-party tracking system available. The core of Hybrid's virtual technology is Krypton, our powerful OpenGL-based 3D rendering engine. Relying on powerful shading capabilities, you can enhance the look and feel of your virtual scene, for instance, increasing realism with the tracking-driven depth of field feature. More than a single 3D system, Krypton allows you to work with as many layers as you wish. You can simultaneously display tickers, animated logos, or even compose several 3D views from inside a single workstation. And you'll see during Neon's demo, this allows our graphics engine to perform switcher transitions. Enhancing digital content may be achieved since Hybrid's Platinum Powerful Workstation deals with multiple inputs and outputs. A good example of this is our virtual screening feature. Rather than having to deal with uber expensive and unwieldy physical video walls, full clean 3D virtual screens can be fed by live inputs or predefined movie files, including full virtual animation and 2D composition. Dynamic content may also be driven by social networks. Relying on world-famous social TV platform Neverknow, Hybrid brings social media's dynamic and interactive content right into your system. As you can see we're doing now, we've pulled up the Facebook pages of a few of our friends and coworkers, and they're sending us some well wishes. And I also want to talk to you about ScreenSew, which is that banner you see right there. Using ScreenSew's second screen companion, you can actually push audience content right into your shows. So you can either do that with pre-recorded video or, as you see, with live video, like we're streaming from Till's cell phone camera at this very moment. So wave hi, you're part of the show. Or don't. No one's going to force you. All right, moving on over this way, let's talk a little bit about augmented reality. Tracking solutions allow us to enhance real and virtual, and this is called augmented reality. It makes your content more attractive, more demonstrative, and also more engaging. So we're going to show you a pie chart with the votes from the question we asked you earlier, and all of that information was pulled from Twitter thanks to Neverknow's social network management platform. So now we're going to give you a brief overview of our controller interface, Ozone. Ozone is our widget-based control application where someone can interact with all of the different elements of the show. With a simple push of a button, multiple effects and animations can be triggered simultaneously. Thanks to the underlying robust software architecture Hybrid has developed, Ozone is also accessible on Android devices, like the tablet I have in my hands. As you can see, it displays the same interface, so from here, I can actually drive the graphic events of the show. For example, I can move my pie chart on over there and out of my way, and I can hop on in here, change the color of any of my pie pieces, as easy as so. And another really cool feature is that I can go in here into my camera positions, and with the touch of just one button, I can move the crane into a whole new position, like you see it doing right now. So, since building sets should be one of the most critical steps in realizing your imagination, Krypton allows the importing of scenes from Autodesk's FBX interchange format. So what that means is your graphics teams can keep their preferred design software while staying focused on their creativity. And using the FBX support, Krypton operators can import models, animations, materials, textures, and texture coordinates from their software of choice so that they're liberated from having to learn all sorts of new tools and workflow. Now, just a quick reminder of the power of the OpenGL shading scheme in Krypton. We can play and work with many shaders, such as glows and transparency sprites and depth of field to add special effects to your scene. Before we go, I'd also like to take the opportunity to give props to the good folks at FX Design Group. They provided all of the virtual set solutions you've seen in our presentation today. In the past, broadcasters and producers have been a bit squeamish about virtual set technology because of the perceived lack of photorealism of the sets. Now, with the help and expertise of a revered virtual and physical set design company, FX Design Group, we can show you how you can produce endless amounts of compelling, photorealistic content. Thank you all so much for joining us at Hybrid today.